Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the USA. One of the other thing that I keep connected to home is listening to music from home. I mean Africa. Okay, so yeah, I listen to a lot of music, and I listen to a lot of music from Zambia, a lot of music from Malawi, a lot of music from Namibia as well. So if you guys are seeing the numbers going up, just know it's me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Today, I am reacting to Your Maps featuring Makhadzi. Okay, Your Maps is going places, man. He should feature somebody from Botswana real soon. I feel like so far he's covered so many places. Nigeria, Malawi, obviously, so many times, and Namibia, so many times. So soon it will be Botswana, Lesotho, Eswatini, and other places. Anyway, let's get to the song. Hold on, what did I do? Oh, I skipped. All right, I went back to the song I was listening to before. Let's go to this one. Oops, hold on. Let's pause it there. Technology, am I right? Or maybe something. Okay, it's muted. Let's get it.
I told you, man.
Oh no,
Can't take pandemics.
see Mark on the track. Maybe na jaila kunkala singo ndiye nomo. Kapena ni mange na moje.
Yo, if you don't know who Your Maps is and you're watching this and you're like, who are these artists? Your Maps is from Zambia. Did I mention that? And Makhadzi is from South Africa. So these are like arguably the top artists right now, especially in Southern Africa, when in terms of viewership and all that. So yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
After na kopanga misispe kuona monga nena pesa mongeri kuseni na musuba nezo papo daily pachundi cha yesterday nisongene samo mutu na brain noziba kuti ungakalete timtima unapanyika nili stranded baby wasani si apinda mukano kambati it's over it's over it's over it's over it's over baby.
Like, yo,
it's
chill.
Over, it's over, it's over.
It's good that the song has subtitles. Obviously, I'm sure like Your Maps is also trying to have audience in South Africa. They want to know what is this guy talking about, and it's helpful for me. I understand a little bit of Nyanja Chewa, so I'm good. Anyway,
it's over, babe.
hey, it's back to alcohol. Hey. Yo, for a minute up there, I forgot that I'm reacting. Anyway, what do you guys think? Beautiful video as well. Like I said, these are like the top artists. Like, these are like the top content creators when it comes to music. Okay, they have figured it out and they are doing it over and over again. I think like from 2020 up until today, these guys are holding on. So
It's over, it's over, it's over. It's over, it's over. uzonipasa pressure but inenzosoka ukaniletela mabills nalipila nakubelieve kuti mtima ungasunga kazi wenze na plan B yoenda pamene wanitita wanila saspia kaleza mwanditupi yanga ya lubana iwewe.
Yo, who had your maps, guys?
Kanezo mekela mu baby wanipanga fu again wapwela watenga na wina again alichitenga pona foot again sitiza pweza na no again no again you never check on the foot again ifuna ningaleche neck again baby usanisiye apinda mukano kambati it's over it's over
Bad man, the bad man vibes on fire. Original, #1, Africa.
It's over.
Yo, somebody had your maps real bad. Okay, so who is that person? Thank you so much for watching this video, man. There's nothing much I can say about this. Like I said, I think I've said it all. These guys are big, and you can tell from the video quality, from the music quality, from the lyrics. It's always about some sort of message with your maps, which is super cool. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.